Hey guys, are you having audio problems with your stream alerts? Well, stick around and let's get that fixed. If you'd like to know exactly what audio monitoring does, then stick around till the end of the video. I will explain that after we fix the problem. So I'm going to assume you already went through the process of adding your browser source through whatever service you're using, be that Sound Alerts, Tangia, Blurp, whatever else. And you've tested it thoroughly, everything worked. But now that you're on your stream, people are redeeming it, and either you and your stream can't hear it, or you can hear it, but the stream cannot. So how do we fix that? In OBS, look for your audio mixer, and then on any of the audio tracks, click on the three dots and then choose Advanced Audio Properties. Alternatively, you can just click on the gear at the bottom left. Under Advanced Audio Properties, find the browser source track which your sounds are set up to. Head over to the Audio Monitoring tab and click on the drop down. Make sure Monitor and Output is selected. And go ahead and check your tracks as well. I've had problems before where I accidentally click on the tracks while I was messing with the settings, so just make sure they're all selected. And that should fix the problem. I forgot to mention something. If you're using desktop audio instead of setting up the audio individually for every application, you might hear the sound twice if you have it set up to monitor and output. Although I don't recommend it, I understand why some people would prefer to use desktop audio because it is a lot easier to set up. However, in that case, set up your sound alerts to monitor only. If you're still having issues after that, then something's wrong with the website or your connection to the website. And unfortunately, there's not much you can do except wait until the problem fixes itself. So what exactly is audio monitoring anyway, and why do you need it for browser sources but not anything else? This will be easier if you think of your computer as your house and audio monitoring as some kind of radio antenna set up on the roof. When you set up OBS, it is already picking up these sounds in your house, your computer, and sending them directly to the stream. So when setting up browser sources, you're not downloading anything to your computer. So you're not actually bringing any items into your house. What you're doing is you're telling OBS to go fetch something from the given address. OBS knows to fetch the sound, but you have to actually tell it to play it back to you. So audio monitoring off, it just does nothing. Audio monitoring on will play the sound back to you, but not send it to the stream. Monitor and output will play you the sound and also send it to the stream. So this is useful to know because you can use it for more than just browser sources. For example, if you need to do a mic check, instead of doing a little recording of yourself, you could just turn on audio monitoring and you can hear yourself, adjust the volume, do everything that you need to do. The same goes for video games. If you're launching a game, you want to make sure that the volume's okay, you want to make sure that the sound is working, go ahead and turn on audio monitoring. But do remember to turn that off because you will be hearing the sound twice. And if you have it set to monitor and output, the stream will be hearing the sound twice. If you guys found this helpful, please give it a like. Let me know if you'd like more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time. Yeah!